Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Olivia. It's my channel. Hair, beauty, fashion, all that and all that. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, I'm done with the accent. I'm sorry. It might pop up. It might pop up a little bit later. Sometimes I can't control it, but yeah. As you can see, I have a haul video for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna run through it. It's a couple little things that I picked up the other day, and I thought I should just show it to you guys because I used to do a lot of haul videos, and yeah, you guys used to like it. You guys used to like really respond well to those videos. So I'm just gonna start with what I have on. My glasses are from Forever 21, which is part of the haul video. My earrings and necklace are from the seller on eBay. I will leave the information down below if it's still available. If it's not available, it won't be there. Simple as that. My shirt is actually from H&M. It used to be a turtleneck. I got it years ago. And I basically just cut it. It was like an oversized turtleneck, really cute. And I just cut it and just kind of pulled up at the fringe bits. And yeah, that's pretty much it for what I'm wearing. But the little glasses are part of the haul. I did just recently get this included with the haul. I'm just gonna go at random. From Forever 21, I also got these little earrings. These little around the way girl earrings. I need an around the way girl. Yeah, so these are my little, I just got these little cute around the way girl earrings. They're like little French cruller donut earrings. So cute. I got the NARS and Fenty Beauty. I know I'm super late for both of them, but it is what it is. You get your coin when you get your coin. You buy your product when you buy your product. I got these two. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS, and then this is just the Fenty Beauty. This shade is Tahoe, and this is 360. Yep, 360. So I got those from Sephora. From Ulta, I got the Tarte Shape Tape. Chan San, really nice. It works, we all know Tarte, even though they're doing a little bit of buffoonery right now with their 2 to 3 brown, shades for the brown girls. That's really fucked up, but whatever. And then if you guys have seen some of my more recent videos, you would know I was using the They're Reals wand on a Maybelline mascara because my other They're Real had dried out, and I really like the wand for the mascara. I also really like the mascara, but long story short, I finally got to getting a new one. So I'm popping again. I also got just this NYX Dewy Finishing Spray because this is what I like to use on my face. I don't have dry skin. I don't have oily skin. I kind of just have combination skin, but I do like the Dewy Finishing Spray on my face after I put on powder, or if I feel like I have too much powder on, because I don't want it to look cakey. I don't want it to look dry. I just don't want to look like I just put my face on powder puff. So I like to use the Dewy to kind of diffuse some of the powder down. I also got this lip sticky. This, ooh, slip tease. Sexy. From NYX. In the color Stud, I believe. I'm really blind, even with my glasses. Well, these aren't real glasses, but even with my little contacts and my glasses, I'm blind as hell still. So I'm just gonna swatch that really quick for you. And this is pretty. Okay. I'm kind of getting like blue undertones in the camera. I also got a kind of metallic lip cream. I actually tried this one on, and I wasn't a fan of it all over my lips. I'm also really particular about what goes on my lips because I'm very self-conscious because my lips are huge. So I feel like only certain lipsticks really work for me. Any of you guys have it or can recommend a good liner to use with it, please let me know. And I also have this other metallic lip color from NYX. And wow, it's actually pretty damn similar to the one that I just got. So the one that I just put on is the one closest to my middle finger. And then the one that I tried on my lips is the one closest to my thumb. And yeah, that's those. Kind of cute. Not really sure if I'm gonna like them again. Very picky. I also got this Anastasia Beverly Hills dual eyebrow brush. So it has the little spoolie at the end here, and then it's got just the angled brush to put on the eyebrow product. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, pick those up, real cute or whatever. I also got kind of a little bit of a lot of lashes from Ulta, if we're just doing this in chronological order. I did get a few pairs of lashes from Ulta, I always forget exactly the type of lashes to put in the description bar that I'm wearing because I wear my lashes till the tip falls off, honey. I will wear them 500 times. If they still look good, I'm wearing them. I don't care. I went through this time where I was like, oh, a lash, wore it, threw it in the trash. Not anymore, honey. It's dumb. It's stupid. Don't do that. Reuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, honey. Wear it. Okay, so I got the Ardell Wispies. These are the ones that I like to wear. Anything wispy, anything Ardell, come my way, honey. 4 pairs of these. I got the twin pack of the Ardell Wispies as well, and I also bought 4 of those. I bought a couple pairs of the Ardell Fright Night Bat Those lashes, which is pretty much the same as the Ardell Wispies, I believe, but these are just the Halloween ones. These are actually from Walgreens, but I just figured I'd throw them in with the rest of the, you know, with the rest of the Ardells. Why not? And I got 3 pairs of those, but I'm not going to show the other 2 because I've used them, so they're back in the package. And used, but not abused. I picked up a couple tiny things from Primark, nothing major, just these little tiny little baby scents, which I thought were cute. They're not strong. They're really light, airy, powdery, flowery, ethereal type vibe scents. They're like $3 each, you know, whatever. But I mostly just got them to throw in my gym bag for like after I leave the gym, so I don't smell like a freaking hog. You know, just a little smell like baby powder, fresh powder. Something, I don't know. And then I just got these little like whatever teeny little panty things, which are like super cheap, one size fits all type thing, to throw in my gym bag, you know, in case God forbid anything happens and I need to change my panties, because you never know. You should always have extra panties if you're like at the gym or sleeping over or whatever at work type stuff, because you never know what's gonna happen. You just never know. So yeah, that's it. That was a pretty quick haul. I hope you guys liked it. I think that's everything. I don't know, should I try on this red lip? Do you want me to try on this red lip? I kind of like the way I don't know. Hopefully this doesn't look like a hot mess because I really can't see anything. But I don't like gloss on my lips unless it's a lip gloss, like a sheer clear type gloss. I haven't really been into gloss. Just gonna take my translucent powder and just kind of dab it. I want it to be matte. Now that that's kind of mad, I'm kind of happy. Okay. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like more videos like this. Please subscribe if you're not already. Comment, rate, like if you wish. Follow me on my socials at OliviaX3Hearts. I do now have a Twitter. I believe my Twitter account is Olivia Live Beautiful. I will leave it down below. My old Twitter got taken advantage of and hacked, so I need a new one. Help my follower count come up. Boop, boop, bloop. Tell your friends, share, tag me on Instagram if you like any of the things. Tag me on Instagram if you have any of the things. Also, tag me on Instagram. Find me on Snapchat. Comment down below if you're the same shade as me, because I feel like it's so hard finding YouTubers that have the same shade, not specifically of me, but like for other people. I thought I was the same shade in Fenty as Glamazon Tay. I believe she's like 350. I'm 360. I'm more of an olive undertone. I think Sandra Deluxe is the closest to me makeup wise when it comes to matching shades. I also am obsessed with her, so that makes everything better. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any of that kind of problem. If you are my shade, tag me, let me know so we can help each other out in makeup, in the makeup world. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'm just really feeling like I own an art gallery and it's pretty lit. I feel like I need some red wine. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.